Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to show you how I use these Dollar Tree bells to make some really beautiful Christmas home decor. So if you're interested in seeing how I made these pieces, then just keep watching. For my first project, I used some of the Dollar Tree napkin rings, 3 packages of their small 50 count gold bells, some diamond wrap, glue gun, and glue sticks. So the first thing I did was use my hot glue to attach 2 rows of these small gold bells to the center of my napkin ring. Next, I cut my diamond wrap into single rows, and then I added a row to the center and to both sides of each of my napkin rings. I repeated those steps to make all 6 napkin rings. To complete the project, I removed the glue strings, and here was my finished look. For my bell wreath, I used one of the Dollar Tree wreath forms, more of their bells in various sizes. I used a Poinsettia Clip, fixed all adhesive, my glue gun, and glue sticks. I'll leave the complete list of everything that I used down in the description box. So the first thing I did was add a small amount of the fixed all adhesive and hot glue to attach the bells to the inside ring of my wreath form. I repeated those steps to add the bells to the outside ring of my wreath form as well. To add my center row, I first placed the bell down to check its positioning. I then added the fixed all adhesive and hot glue to those areas that would connect, and then I added each of those bells as well. To close up some of the spacing, I used hot glue to attach 2 packs of the 32 count bells and 2 packs of the 20 count bells in gold and silver. I then attached my Poinsettia Clip. I simply clipped the flower to one of the bells. I then used just a dab of hot glue to fan out the flower just a bit as well. To hang my wreath, I added one of these Dollar Tree self-adhesive hooks to the top center of my dining room mirror, and here was my finished look. And finally, for my mini tree, I used one of the Dollar Tree Tinsel Trees, more of the 32 count bells in gold and silver, some floral wire that I already had. I think I purchased this from Walmart for about $2, my glue gun, and my Gorilla Glue sticks. So the first thing I did was remove the tinsel from this mini tree. I only used the frame for this project. Next, I took a very long piece of the floral wire and attached one of the bells to the end of that wire. I then added 4 packages of the 32 count bells in gold and silver to the opposite end of that wire. Next, I used some zip ties to attach some of the bells along the bottom of the tree frame. You can also use some of the floral wire here as well. I just used the zip ties because they gave such a strong hold and I already had them on hand. I continued to wrap the bells around the tree frame, adding hot glue to secure the bells in place. I continued adding more bells to the long pieces of wire and wrapping those bells around the tree frame until I made my way all the way to the top. Of course, I could have added all of my bells to one super long piece of wire, but I preferred to work in smaller sections. It was just easier for me to do it this way. I used the rest of the small bells that I had from my first project to fill in the top of my tree. I also used those same small bells to fill in any spaces along the tree as well. To complete the project, I used my crafter's toothbrush to remove the glue strings, and here was my finished look. So there you have it, guys. 3 pretty Christmas home decor projects that we made using Dollar Tree jingle bells. So I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, guys, bye.